Are you ready to understand what truly ignites a woman's desire? In this video, we're going to break down the hidden triggers that can make her feel deeply attracted to you, even to the point where she can't stop thinking about you. And no, this is not just about looks or money. We're going deeper into what really matters when it comes to attraction. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of how to build real, powerful attraction. Point 1, emotional connection. First, build emotional connection. If you want a woman to truly feel attracted, you can't rely on physical attraction alone. You need to connect with her emotions. Women naturally experience emotions more deeply, so your job is simple: connect at that level. How? Find shared experiences. Talk about meaningful things. Create real conversations. That's how you build trust and deeper connection, and that's where attraction begins. Point 2, body language and proximity. Second, use body language to create closeness. Something as simple as leaning in slightly while talking can instantly create intimacy. You don't need to touch her right away. Just position yourself a bit closer, maintain eye contact, and smile naturally. This sends a clear signal you're interested. But remember, don't invade her personal space. The key is comfort, not pressure. Point 3, build tension. Third, create subtle tension. Not by being aggressive, but by being intriguing. Use light teasing, playful energy, engaging conversation. The goal is to make her think, this guy is different, and keep her curious, but stay balanced. Too much pressure will push her away. Point 4, the power of touch. Fourth, use touch carefully. Touch can be very powerful if done right. Start small, arm, shoulder, watch her reaction. If she's comfortable, you can slowly increase it. If she pulls away, respect that. Always remember, this is about trust and comfort, not rushing things. Point 5, create mystery. Fifth, be a little unpredictable. Women naturally attracted to men who aren't easy to read. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Let her stay curious. Don't always be available. Don't always be predictable. But don't overdo it either. Too much mystery can become boring. The key is balance, enough to keep her intrigued without confusing her. So there you have it. 5 hidden triggers that can ignite a woman's desire. Remember, this isn't about cheap tricks. It's about understanding emotions and building real connection. Master this, and you won't need to chase. Attraction will come to you. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share. And if you want more content like this, subscribe now. Stay strong. Keep improving.